Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Well, today we are going to continue working on our profile screen. So today we will continue or finish implementing the UI. So we will implement this section and this section. So let's start coding. This is where we left in the last video. So let's go to our profile view. And here let's implement a V stack. Okay, and first it will be an A stack. First one will be a text of posts with a font of dot headline and the font weight of dot semi-bold. Then we got a spacer, and after that we got the text. And let me check what's the other text. It will be filters. So filters with a font weight of headline and semi-bold, and the foreground style of dot blue. Let me check it. Okay, beautiful. Okay, I will give to this A stack padding of dot horizontal. Okay, beautiful. The next one will be this one. So it will be another A stack with a spacing of 16. And to our A stack we got image. For now it will be profile pic. It will be dot resizable and scale to fill. I will give it a frame with width and height of 40. And it will have a clip shape of circle. Okay, if we go there, we can see it's beautiful. Then we got text. It will be what's on your mind. And let me check. Okay, beautiful. I think then we got a spacer, and then it will be, I think, an image. Yes, this one. It will be image with a system name, and let me check for the name. It's photo.on.rectangle and .angled. It's from SF symbol. Okay, beautiful. I will give it it will be resizable and scale to fill, and I will give it a frame with width and height of 20 for both, and the foreground style of dot green. If I go now and check it, I think it's beautiful. I will also give to this A stack of a padding of dot horizontal. Okay, beautiful. Okay, now we got this one, so it will be color. I think color, it will be system gray 6, so dot system gray 6. I will give it a frame with a height of 70. And then we will got an overlay. Okay, so as you can see, it's beautiful. And in the overlay I got this one, so it will be an A stack, and inside the A stack I will have another A stack with a spacing of 10. and I will have a spacer so it goes to the left. Okay, and to the entire A stack I will give it a padding of dot horizontal. Okay, and now inside my A stack I will have this, so it is an image with system name. Okay, let me check the name. It is play.rectangle.fill. It will be resizable and scale to fill, and with a frame with width and height of 16 for both. Okay, hopefully, okay, beautiful. And a foreground style of dot red. Okay, hopefully it will be also beautiful. Yes, and the text, it is real, so I will add after that the text of real. It will have a font of dot headline, a font weight of dot semi-bold, and the foreground style of color of dot dark gray. Okay, let me check. A beautiful, really beautiful. Now we need this one, so okay, and on the entire A stack, to be honest, there are many ways to do it, but let's go for this one. Let's give it a background of dot white. So beautiful. I will also give it a padding dot horizontal of 25 and dot padding of dot vertical of 8. Okay, let me check. Okay, beautiful. And of course a clip shape of rounded rectangle 30. Okay, perfect, I think, just what we want. But as you can see, real is the same as live, for example. It's just the text and the image, so it makes no sense to take all this and let's say and copy and paste it to implement video. The best way to do it is to extract this subview. So let's extract this subview. I will call it, to be honest, I don't know a good name, so name it whatever you want. I will call it for here, okay, real reusable view. But it's a very bad name. It's not a good name, but I don't know what to call it. Anyway, and here let's add a private var title of type string, and for this one, and a private var image name also of type string. And here we add an initializer of the one we used. So let's cut this one and replace it with image name. And let's also cut this or delete this one and replace it with the title. Okay, hopefully it will be beautiful. Now we add the arguments. Okay, for this one it will be play.rectangle.filler. For the title it will be real. And we will copy this one or take it, let's see what the title, it will be live. Okay, live. And for the image name, let me check. Okay, it will be video.fill. If we go and check, beautiful, perfect, the way we want it to be. So the next one will be this button. So okay, after our check, okay, our A stack, color, our overlay. So here we will have a button. Okay, with action and label. For action for now we don't need. And for the text it will be, let me check. Okay, manage post. So it won't be a text, it will be an A stack with a spacing of 10. And here we will have an image. The image will be okay with system name, so it's from SF symbol, it will be system name, and let me check the name, it will be text.bubble.fill. okay, it will be resizable, okay, scale to fill, and with a frame with width and height of 16 for both. Okay, and we will have a text, and the text will be, let me check, it's manage posts, manage post. It will be with a font of dot headline and the font weight of dot semi-bold, and to the entire A stack I will give it a background of color system gray 5, color dot system gray 5. So let me check. Okay, it's beautiful, and I will also give it a foreground style of color dot dark gray. Okay, hopefully it will look better. Okay, and we will give it a frame with width and height. For the width it will be proxy.size.width minus 30, and for the height it will be 44. And I will, let's see first how it looks. Okay, inside my A stack. Okay, I think it needs, say, let's add for example a spacer to check. Okay, perfect. I will add a spacer here and a spacer there to keep it in the middle. Okay. Okay, something is wrong, I think. No, we don't need a spacer. Don't think I need a spacer. Doesn't make a lot of sense. Okay, really strange why it doesn't apply when I'm applying the frame. So check. Okay, now it's beautiful. Okay, frame needs to be before the background. Okay, perfect. And let's give it a clip with shape of rounded rectangle with a corner radius of 8. Okay, perfect, beautiful. Okay, just also we will give it a padding of dot vertical. Hopefully it's perfect, it's beautiful, it's the way we want it to be. Maybe now we also need a divider view, and then we will call our post view. But first I will get this vstack. I don't need it anymore. I will refactor it, or let me check for a second. Okay, I think or we don't need to add the posts, or let's add the divider view and then take it all once for all. So it will be divider view with width of the entire width of proxy dot size dot width. Okay, let me check. Okay, place it in the wrong place. I place it inside the button. It's after the button here. Hopefully now it's perfect, I think. Okay, then we will go to our entire vstack. Let's extract subview. Let's refactor, rename. Let's call it manage posts or profile post view. Profile posts view. Okay, beautiful. I think we will need to have the width. So here we will add private var width of type cgfloat, and here we will call our initializer. We will replace proxy.size.width with the width, so it will be width minus 30, and here also it will be width, and hopefully it will be now perfect. Okay, we will just add the argument, so it will be proxy dot size dot width, and hopefully the app will be running and everything will be running perfectly. Okay, it's perfect, I think. Other thing now is to add our post, but as you already know, we already implemented our post view, which is this view. So all you need is to call our view. So here we will add a for each, for now at least. So for example to 2, and we will call our post view. Okay, it asks for something called Facebook blue. Oh, it's a color. So let me check what's the Facebook blue. Okay, to be honest, in production application, this Facebook view should be a constant that is accessible by everyone, but for now let's just declare it here, and let's call or give him Facebook blue, and hopefully everything will be working perfectly. So let's see. Okay, perfect. We got the posts. I think at least the implementation of the UI is done for profile view. Later we will go back when we will be implementing the view model, but for now I don't like to keep manage profile post view here, so I will create a new file. I will call it swiftui view. It will be called manage profile post view, and here we will take and cut this code and paste it here. I want also keep this one real reusable view, so let's take it in view. Let's create a new file, swiftui view or swift file, doesn't matter really. Okay, we go here, we cut the code here, and we paste it here, and hopefully everything is working perfectly. And as you can see in our body, it's clean, it's okay. Let's check. Yes, everything is working perfectly, and as you can see in our body, you got the profile header view, divider view, profile option view. It's clean, you know the section every time you are in a section, so it's easy even if you spend months without touching this profile view. When you come back, it's easy to understand where the code and it doesn't get messy. Okay, let's go to our main tab view to see. Okay, let's go to profile, and I think it's perfect, it's beautiful. In the next video we will be, hopefully, I think I will be working on what's on your mind to create a post. So in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed the content. Please like, subscribe if you are not subscribed yet, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.